There are SUVs sitting on used lots right now that almost nobody wants. And that is exactly why they are the smartest buy on the market today. These are not broken down junkers, they are simple, reliable, easy to drive machines that got pushed aside because shoppers chase flashy new tech instead of proven engineering. High seating position, wide doors, huge visibility, engines that do not need a computer science degree to keep alive. That is what these vehicles offer, and that makes them ideal for older drivers who just want something dependable, without the stress of modern gadgets failing every other month. Today we are counting down 8 dirt-cheap SUVs that dealers cannot move, but that senior drivers and budget shoppers should be scooping up immediately. Let us get into it. If this list helps you or someone in your family find a safe and affordable ride, go ahead and hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this kind of honest breakdown. Number 8. The Toyota RAV4 from the 3rd generation, built between 2006 and 2012. This little SUV has quietly become one of the most trusted used vehicles in America, and for good reason. You can find these with either the reliable 2.5-liter 4-cylinder or the smooth V6 3.5-liter, both of which are known for running well past 2,000 miles with basic maintenance. The size is compact enough to park easily, yet tall enough to give drivers a commanding view of the road, which matters a lot when reaction time and depth perception start to change with age. There is no turbocharger to worry about, no complicated hybrid battery system, just a simple transmission and an engine that was built to last. Resale value on the RAV4 stays strong because mechanics trust it and buyers trust mechanics. Which means even at 10 or 15 years old, you are not looking at a vehicle that dumps its value overnight. Prices on a clean example from this generation typically land somewhere between $6,000 and $1,000, depending on mileage and condition, and that is a small price for the kind of peace of mind this SUV delivers every single day. Number 7. The Honda CR-V from the 3rd generation, built from 2007 to 2011. If there was ever a poster child for boring but bulletproof, this is it. Under the hood sits the legendary K24 engine, a 4-liter 4-cylinder that mechanics across the country consider nearly indestructible when it gets regular oil changes. What makes this generation especially good for older drivers is the door design. They open almost a full 90 degrees, which makes getting in and out so much easier on the knees and hips compared to SUVs with tighter door swings. Visibility is another huge win here. The pillars are thin, the mirrors are large, and blind spots are minimal, which reduces the anxiety that comes with merging or backing out of a busy parking lot. The CR-V from this era also holds a reputation for being cheap to fix. Parts are everywhere, and any independent shop can service it without charging luxury brand prices. You can typically find one of these for somewhere between $5,000 and $9,000, and with proper care, many of them are still running strong past 25,000 miles, which makes the cost per mile almost unbeatable. Number 6. The Lexus GX 470, produced from 2003 to 2009. Now, this one might surprise you because Lexus is usually associated with higher price tags, but the GX 470 has become one of the most underrated bargains in the used SUV world. It shares its bones with the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, which means body-on-frame construction, and a reputation for going hundreds of thousands of miles without major issues. The 4.7-liter V8 engine is smooth, powerful enough for confident highway merging, and known to be remarkably reliable when maintained on schedule. What really sets this SUV apart for older drivers is the cabin experience. It is quiet, insulated from road noise, and rides more like a luxury sedan than a rugged off-roader, even though it has real off-road capability underneath. The seats sit high, entry and exit are easy, and the dashboard layout from this era is refreshingly simple compared to the touchscreen-heavy interiors flooding the market today. Because the GX 470 does not carry the Land Cruiser badge, it tends to sell for thousands less. often landing in the $8,000 to $13,000 range for a well-kept example, which is a steal for this level of comfort and durability. If you are watching this because you or a parent is shopping for a safer, simpler used SUV, drop a comment letting us know which one on this list caught your attention so far. And make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss the rest of this series here on AutoWorth. Number 5. The Honda Pilot from the second generation, built between 2009 and 2015. This generation of Pilot traded the rounded styling of the earlier model for a boxier, more upright shape, and that boxy design turned out to be a blessing for practicality and visibility. The V6 3.5-liter engine in these years is known for being tough, and paired with a straightforward automatic transmission, there is very little to go wrong mechanically when the vehicle has been cared for. Interior space is enormous for a mid-size SUV, with 3 rows that can comfortably seat a family or fold flat for hauling groceries, luggage, or medical equipment. Because the body sits square and the windows are large, drivers get excellent sightlines in every direction, and the boxy shape also makes it easier to judge where the corners of the vehicle are while parking. This generation of Pilot has become a favorite among mechanics for its low repair frequency, and because so many were bought as family haulers, there are plenty of well-maintained examples on the market today for somewhere between $7,000 and $11,000. It might not turn heads, but it will start every morning and get you where you need to go without drama. Number 4. The Toyota Highlander from the second generation, built from 2008 to 2013. Often called the practical family SUV king, the Highlander from this era combined a smooth V6 5-liter engine with genuinely low step in height, something that matters enormously for anyone who deals with knee or hip discomfort. Climbing into this SUV feels closer to stepping into a sedan than hoisting yourself into a truck, and that small detail makes a massive difference in daily comfort. The V6 engine is known to be one of the most dependable powertrains Toyota has ever produced, often running well beyond 25,000 miles with nothing more than routine oil changes and timing belt service. Cabin noise is kept low, ride quality is soft without feeling sloppy, and the dashboard controls are simple physical buttons and knobs rather than confusing touch menus. Because so many Highlanders from this generation were sold, supply on the used market remains strong, which keeps prices reasonable, typically in the $7,000 to $12,000 range for a clean, well-documented example. For anyone who wants SUV height and cargo space without SUV complexity, this generation checks every box. Real quick, if you want more breakdowns like this, comparing hidden gem used vehicles that actually make sense. For real people, hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos regularly, and it really does help the channel grow when you do. Number 3. The Ford Escape from the second generation, built between 2008 and 2012. This is another vehicle that gets overlooked simply because it wears a Ford badge instead of a Japanese one, but the engineering underneath tells a different story. You can find this generation with either the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder or the 3.0-liter Duratec V6, and both are refreshingly simple, naturally aspirated engines with no turbocharger to fail down the road. The Duratec V6 in particular has earned a strong reputation among independent mechanics for being tough and easy to service, which keeps long-term ownership costs low. Compact dimensions make this Escape easy to maneuver in tight parking lots or narrow driveways, while the elevated seating position gives drivers a clear view over traffic. It is not the flashiest SUV on this list, but it delivers exactly what a lot of senior drivers are looking for: predictable performance, low repair bills, and a size that never feels overwhelming to drive or park. Prices on this generation of Escape tend to be some of the lowest on our entire list, often found between $4,000 and $7,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly entries here. Number 2. The Subaru Forester from the fourth generation, built from 2014 to 2018. Subaru has built a loyal following for a reason, and this generation of Forester represents the sweet spot before the brand started adding more complex, turbocharged options into the mix. The naturally aspirated boxer engine in this Forester is known for being gentle on itself, with a lower center of gravity that makes handling feel stable and predictable, which adds an extra layer of confidence behind the wheel. Visibility is genuinely one of the best in its class, with a tall greenhouse and thin pillars that give drivers a nearly panoramic view in every direction, something that becomes more valuable with every passing year behind the wheel. The doors open wide, the seating position is upright without being too high to climb into, and all-wheel drive comes standard, which adds a real safety margin during rain or winter weather. Reliability data on this generation consistently ranks it near the top for its class, and owners frequently report driving these well past 2,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Pricing typically falls between $8,000 and $13,000, a fair trade for the safety, visibility, and mechanical simplicity this Forester generation delivers. Number 1, the Toyota 4Runner from the 4th generation, built between 2003 and 2009. If there is one SUV on this entire list that represents pure, uncomplicated durability, it is this one. Underneath sits a true body-on-frame chassis paired with a 4.0-liter V6 engine, a combination that has developed almost legendary status among off-road enthusiasts and daily commuters alike. This is not a vehicle built around fragile modern convenience features. It is a mechanically straightforward SUV designed to survive decades of use with minimal fuss. The high ground clearance and tall stance mean drivers sit well above traffic, giving a commanding view of the road that many older drivers specifically look for when choosing a vehicle. Because the frame and drivetrain were engineered for toughness rather than fuel economy numbers or flashy tech, many examples on the road today have crossed 25,000 or even 3,000 miles while still running strong. Interior tech is minimal by modern standards, which actually works in its favor. Fewer screens and sensors mean fewer things that can break or confuse a driver. Prices on this generation of 4Runner tend to run a bit higher than the rest of our list, typically between $9,000 and $14,000. But given the reputation for near-endless reliability, it earns its spot as our top pick. So there you have it. 8 dirt-cheap SUVs that the mainstream market has completely overlooked, but that offer exactly what a lot of shoppers, especially older drivers, actually need: simplicity, visibility, comfort, and mechanical peace of mind. None of these vehicles are exciting on paper, and that is precisely the point. Boring and reliable will always beat flashy and fragile when it comes to everyday transportation. If you found this helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. Drop a comment telling us which of these 8 you would actually consider buying, and subscribe here on AutoWorth so you catch our next deep dive into the used car market. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.